Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to add emergency contacts, so when you need help, the people closest to you can be notified quickly. It's a simple setting, but it's really important, and you should set it up right now. To add an emergency contact, open Settings, then scroll down and tap Emergency SOS. Now, make sure Call with Hold and Release is turned on. Then, scroll down and tap Set up Emergency Contacts in Health. Here, we have Emergency Contacts. Tap Add Emergency Contact. Now choose the person you want to add as your emergency contact. You can add more than one person, so you can choose your mother, father, brother, sister, or anyone else you trust. After choosing a contact, your iPhone will ask you to select your relationship with that person. Simply choose the correct relationship from the list, and that's it. Your emergency contact has now been added. If you want to add another person, just tap Add Emergency Contact again and choose another contact. And if you ever want to remove someone, simply tap the delete icon next to their name, then tap Delete. Once you've added your emergency contacts, they can be notified when you use your iPhone's Emergency SOS features. This can be extremely helpful in an emergency, especially if you're unable to contact your loved ones yourself. So, take a few seconds right now and make sure your emergency contacts are set up. You never know when you might need them. If you found this tip helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and share this video with your friends and family so they can set up their emergency contacts too. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.